Hello and Assalamu alaikum guys. Ramadan Mubarak to all my beautiful sisters and brothers in Islam. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept all our ibadahs in this beautiful month of Ramadan. Today is day 1. Well, today is day 2. I'm uploading the video today. And so guys, I made some stuff yesterday for day 1. And I thought I'll share everything with you guys. And maybe that will give you an idea of what to make, I don't know, the next day or something. Everything was very easy, and also guys, I did it as fast as I can because it's not easy, trying to cook and then trying to, the kids around and all that. But yeah, alhamdulillah, it's doable. We did it, so alhamdulillah, and I hope you will do the same. Anyways, again, Ramadan Mubarak. So let's get started, guys. So guys, here's the thing. I'm not exactly sure what I really want. All I know is that I really want some African chicken. Yes, guys, that is some African chicken. If you never had it, you have to, go get some from your African store. It's very hard. That's one thing with African chicken, but it tastes really good. So at the same time, I kind of want some Mediterranean kind of taste at the same time. So you'll see how we end up. You guys keep watching, you'll see what I'm saying. And yeah, you never know, maybe I will give you a next tomorrow's iftar idea. Right? So, or maybe or the next day or something, whatever. So yeah guys, that's some ginger. I already added some black pepper, some salt, garlic, and then my ginger. By the way guys, I always have ginger ready to go. A few days before Ramadan, I blended like 3 pounds, half in the freezer and then half in the fridge, because also we drink chai a lot, so, and we always like to put ginger in our chai, like my husband loves that. Anyways, that is some turmeric, because like I said, I want some Mediterranean taste. That's why I'm not gonna add curry. Usually Indians and us Africans, we like curry, but usually Arabs are not crazy. They are more into turmeric than curry. So, and that is some kain kamshi spices. I got it from Niger. It's really good. I love it. So anyways guys, mix it really well. The reason why I'm mixing it really well, because I want the seasoning you just will say, and also I don't have time to wait for it to sit for a little bit. And then I added some water. I added maybe three cups of water haka a ciki. And then so after that, then mix it a little bit just to make sure seasoning in ko ina shiga again. Then after that, you're gonna go ahead and throw it on the stove. Say dora akan wuta, and then say a repeat, and then for like 40 minutes. And then now about 40 minutes later, already hana kashe wutan ma, because I was doing something else, so she said nuna muku balde yana tafasa or something. But about 40 minutes, guys. In kun zo ma, if the ruwa ya ragu, you can always add more water, guys. Feel free. So, and then kun gani yanzu gashi ne sai kamshi yake literally babu irin karnin kazan nan. This is why you should add a lot of garlic, a lot of kayan kamshi a cikin kazan ku, musamman kun san kaza yanda take. So bayan an kwashe sai a aje a gefe. And then now na aje ruwan a gefe, our chicken stock, and then I just added some oil a ciki, and then zan dan bari ne ya danyi zafi oil din kadan for like 1 to 2 minutes. And then now I'm adding our vermicelli. I added kamar maybe 1 cup of the vermicelli. I love vermicelli, guys. It's really nice. I have this recipe coming soon, guys. I love that in Ramadan, actually. I think my sister liked that more than me. So it's sweet, by the way. I don't want to tell you the name, so it's coming soon, guys. Watch out for that. So, vermicelli is very easy to fry. So you have to stay. You are mixing it gently until when it's looking like golden brown. So guys, we have to keep moving. It's Ramadan. I usually don't like to keep doing too many things at once, but because we have to keep moving. So anyways, I'm going ahead and fry the chicken. You don't want to fry it too much. I'm literally praying this oil don't disappoint me, because I fried awara like 3 days ago with eggs. So so I'm literally praying, guys. And yeah, so far it looks good, so that's good. I'm happy. But anyways, you don't want to fry the chicken because that is going to be too hard. So now back to our vermicelli. Gashina, it looks good to me. So just mix it again for a little bit, like 2 minutes or so. And then now perfect time. So I already washed my rice. I washed 2 cups of basmati rice. You can tell when I went to Fentry to get some, I literally was thinking jasmine or basmati or whatever. And yeah, so that is basmati rice. I washed it really well. The key to get a really well looking good rice is to wash the rice really, really well until when you see the water is clear. So what I'm saying is in kana so shinkafa ta yi sosai ta yi washar, the key is to wash the rice really well. Har sai kun ga ruwan yayi sosai yayi kyau yanda ya kamata. Yayi haske. Thank you. So yeah, and then so ba zan yi mixing sosai ba because already I felt like vermicelli din kamar na dan so in frying ɗinta a little bit too much, but okay, so that's why I'm not gonna fry with the rice and sosai. If I didn't do that, I would have let it fry together again for like 1 minute or 2 minutes, something like that. But because the way I feel, so I'm not gonna do that, guys. And that is our chicken stock. That's all we need, guys, because we have more than enough. So I'm going ahead and add everything I have in there. That is maybe about like 2 cups or a little bit more than that. I'm not exactly sure, but all we need is, as long as it covers the rice, that is what matters. So if yours is not enough, feel free to add hot water in there. As long as it covers the rice, we're good to go. And then also, basmati rice doesn't take too long to cook, so maybe kamar minti 20 it should be done. And also even the vermicelli tama ba ta dadewa duk tare kuma sun gama. And the reason why we fry the vermicelli is because so usually that is sticking a cikin abu to amma in kai frying ba abin da za ta yi. Kuma you can also cook it ita kadai. Just giving you another idea. All right, guys, so go ahead and cover it, and then we're gonna let it cook for like 20 minutes, and then 15 minutes later, it looks really good, guys. Can you smell the aroma? So I just added cinnamon and cardamom and then star, and then now, guys, I just blended some red bell pepper, habanero, and albasa. Maybe blended into tare. Not any frying into because I want something spicy, something really hot and good. So shi yasa na yi wannan jijjigen. At the same time, na yi kuma me yake da suna dankali, na soya dankali. So that's some hot sauce. You can tell I really want to take this to another level because I already added 2 habaneros in there. The African one, the red one, not the yellow one. There's no way I can handle 2 of the yellow one. So I added 2 of the red one, and then so I added everything in there. You can see the fries and then the chicken. So it smells really good. Mix it gently. I noticed when I was mixing it, I was breaking some of the fries. And then we don't want to do that. We want it to look good, We're doing the buɗe kwano ana buɗewa akan yace wow. Me gida ya buɗe. So anyways, mix it haka kaɗan. And then after that, cover it for like 2 minutes. You don't even have to cover it because I didn't cover it. I just give it like 2 minutes. And then, guys, we are done. We are all set to go. By the way, you see, you can eat this with anything too. You don't have to eat it with rice. You can eat it with anything, like maybe couscous, macaroni, talia, anything. So, but for me today, it's going to be rice because I want that, Mediterranean taste. That's why, and that's where the rice come in. Because, I tried to make the rice come into Arab's rice. So, and then, guys, so let's go ahead and move to the next thing. All right, so I'm going ahead and put everything in this cute dish. I'm using it for the first time. I actually did a blog when I went shopping, getting all of this from Home Goods, but I didn't get chance to edit it and upload it for you guys. So if you guys want to see where I got this dish, let me know. Just comment down below, and I will be more than happy to, I can squeeze and try to do it, guys. So it looks really nice. I made a lot of mess, but I will just try to clean it up a little bit. That way when Daddy Bilal open it, he wouldn't see all this mess. All right, guys. I think the next thing is going to be dami kunu. I san insha kunu. So, I'm in Nankana. It will be really nice. So, let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so the other one, I'm going to put the rice in there. The rice smells really nice. Let me bring it closer so you guys can see it. Yep, guys, I shouldn't tell you washer, very nice. Yeah, kungani that here really nice. So now you know how to make really nice vermicelli with rice, basmati rice. Yeah, and it doesn't take too long, like 20 minutes you're done. So yeah, I'm not gonna put too much in there, just for the three of us, me, Daddy Bilal, and Bilal. So yeah, so that's more than enough, for us. All right, and then now the next thing is going to be kunu. So zamu dama kunu, guys. Kunun tsamiya. Kun san dai muna da garin kunu. It's not yet here in the US. I've been getting a lot of messages from you guys. One garin kunu, but it's on the way, guys. We should have it by next week, inshallah. But we have some in Nigeria right now. So if you need some, message me on my Instagram account, or you can comment down here, and yeah, we can find a place where, if you're not on Instagram or something. I'm getting a lot of emails. Sometimes people are not on Instagram and then they tell me how do they get stuff. So just comment. You can just comment with your email and I can respond. So anyways, but if you want it in Nigeria, it's available. We have it in Kano and Jos. So yeah, just send us a message. And yeah, so that is ensaimi. I always like my kunu with ensaimi because I like kunu ensaimi so say it's stronger. So yeah, that's why I like that. So na sa maybe I think wannan kamar lude biyu ne ko uku. So sai a kawo ruwan dimi. Sorry, actually ba ruwan dimi ba. Just normal room temperature ruwa. A zuba. And then just make the paste just like this in the hoganai. Mix it really well. And then I'm adding a little bit more because I thought maybe it's too thick. And that's perfect. That's just how it should look like. It's not too thick and it's not too watery. So usually I would just get some from here, but I noticed that this is just what I want. Maybe it's going to be like 4 cups, small cups, by the way. And then so I just added like 2 tablespoons, a chicken different cup. Naji zanzabaruani a chiki to mix it shima. So I'm going to have another paste in a cup on the side. Guys, you already know I can multitask. So that's why I forgot to show you guys when I added the boiling hot water in there. But ruwan zafi kawai na zuba a ciki sai ne maza na rufe. And then now gashi nan zan juya kunun mu yayi. Sometimes I honestly wonder why we really cover it, because usually, if not because I'm filming this, I probably wouldn't cover it. And it's always turned out really well. But I feel like that's how we grow up. Every time, I always see my grandma do this, so I always do it too. But honestly, sometimes I'm like, because I've made it so many times and it's always the same. So, but sometimes if you don't want things to disappoint you, so you better just do it. So, I added that paste, then I on the side. Nazuba achiki kunu looks really good. And gawagarun kunu always smells amazing. So, and then now I'm going ahead and just add some sugar. And kind of some sugar there as about so don't put too much. And then mix it again, and then all done, guys. And then ikawai ina so in salude ne a ciki, juya shi sai in nuna muku kaurin shi, so kun gani yayi sosai, perfect. Also we have ludayi in kuna so ku siya. We have everything, literally the abin da kuke so we have it. My mom just sent me this. My husband just tried the other one. He kept putting it in the dishwasher, so you don't want to put your ludayi in the dishwasher. So yeah, that is done. I put it there too. See. So yeah, now the next thing is osai. This one is going to be a really fast, easy one, guys. That's why I didn't show you guys the part where, I sucked the beans and all that. We have clean beans, so ready to go. All I did was just use warm water. After like an hour, ready to go. And then already I added in seasonings, and then I added 1 egg, and then I don't even have to tell you this, guys. You have to beat it so say. I said, okay, it's time to just fry it. By the way, I didn't add any like red bell pepper or ataru. I blended some. The one that I fried, I throw them in the chicken. So that is why, and I kept some on the side. But I want to fry first for Bilal because he can eat that much yaji. So after I fry, then I would throw in mukmanama chicken. So yeah, that is for Bilal. Bilal ina soya mishi. He'll really like kosai. So after his, and look at that, guys. Like literally that one, the kind I was like, whoa, this kosai is something. So yeah, and then now, as you can see, gashi na already yanzu na zuba tattasan da kuma albasa, and then tarhu. Actually, this kosai namu was really good. Like, wow, I loved it. We finished everything. Of course, in the kan kunu da kosai muka fara. So it was really nice. And yeah, guys, so all done, guys. Happy iftar. Yep. Look at that, guys. Look at that drink. It was really, really yummy. I loved it. Yep, that's the kunu. That's the one thing I can't wait to get to it. Bilal is ready. He's just like, wow. Even though really my Nishidiyana can drink, and it's not more into anything else, but he's more into the drink because he's just like, I made his too. His wasn't here, was on the other side. So yeah, guys, yep. You can see Bilal is enjoying his kosai, and yeah, already yagama, so he's just waiting for the rice. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this vlog, and yeah, let me know, guys, if you guys want more of this. I will do my best to keep going, but of course you guys have to show me that yes, you want it. All right, guys, thank you so much, and don't forget to pray for us, and yeah, have a good one. See you.